Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is time to go and pick up another car. This is the car I'm going to pick it up. Let me see if the door is open. Oh yeah. And the key must be under the seat. I can't see. Can't see the key. No. 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 Yeah, I'll wait for the owner to come. Yeah, as I said, he normally keep the key under the seat, the driver's seat. It was under the driver's seat, but I looked at it, but not looked at it properly. So he said it runs in first time, no problem. And then as you can see that it's got a high case. And we are running out of fuel as well, and then turn it off. Now it is time to strap it on. See, my straps are not the best. It's a little bit different than the back ones. Back one go around the tires, the front one goes on the top of the tires, back here, and then, yep. We are good to go.